Okay, this is a review of your order of operations. Don't forget, I know you guys, I've heard you all say, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, but don't forget, of course, your parentheses goes first. Whatever's in the parentheses, you work first. Your exponents will be second, but you multiply or divide whatever's first. So if division comes before multiplication, you're going to do that from left to right. And then your addition and subtraction, you do whatever's first from left to right. So if you had a problem and they wanted you to subtract first, that's what you do first. All right, so first few problems, you have 4 plus 4 times 6. You're going to work what's in parentheses first. 4 plus 4 is 8, and then 8 times 6 is 48. I want you guys to be able to do it without a calculator if needed. I need you to understand that, okay? All right, so in this problem, we have addition first, but multiplication and division comes before addition and subtraction. So you're going to multiply 5 times 3, which is 15. So now you have 15 plus 3. 3 plus 15 is 18. Same thing here, addition and then division. Division comes before addition. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. 2 plus, and I'm just rewriting, guys. 2 plus 3 is 5. All right, in this problem, you have a parentheses and you have an exponent. Always work what's in the parentheses first, okay? So 18 divided by 3 is 6. So now you have 6 to the second power, and that is 36. All right, next we have parentheses, but there's no nothing to work out inside of those parentheses, but we do have an exponent, so let's do that one first. -2 squared, so that's -2 times -2, that's +4. Now, what we've always talked about is if you see a plus and a minus side by side, what is it? A negative. So it's now a -6 minus 3, okay? Always, if you ever see two signs side by side, is it going to either be a positive or a negative? Don't confuse yourself. So now you have 4 minus 6, which is -2. -2 minus 3 is -5. All right, same thing here. Let's go ahead and change signs before we even start this problem. So I have 2 times -9. I have a minus and a minus side by side. That is a positive. 10 times 7. So now we're going to do our multiplication first. 2 times -9 is -18, plus 10 times 7 is 70. -18 plus 70 is 52. Sorry, I don't have my calculator out, guys. Yeah, that's it. All right, same thing here. First of all, you guys are no longer intimidated if you see a fraction or anything that looks like it. But the first thing we're going to do is work out. You're going to add, subtract, whatever you need to do first. 9 minus 4 over 2 minus 6 is -4. Okay? Now, so I have 9 minus, this is division. What's 4 divided by -4? That's -1. So now I have my two signs side by side. So that's 9 plus 1, which is 10. All right, so here we have -4 minus 16 over 8 times -9. This always makes y'all panic, guys. Y'all see a fraction, but it's just dividing. So you have -4 minus 16 divided by 8 times -9. That's what you have, okay? So let's rewrite it. In the parentheses first, we have -4 minus 16 divided by 8 is 2. There we go. Times -9. Now we still have parentheses, -4 minus 2 is -6. -6 times -9 is +54. All right, next we have z to the third power minus x minus 7. But this time they're giving us variables to fill in. So we have x equals -7 and z equals 3. So here we have the absolute value, sorry y'all, of 3 to the third power minus -7 minus 7. So 3 to the third power, that's 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. A minus and a minus make a plus. 7 minus 7. 7, positive 7 and -7 is going to be 0. So 27 plus 7 minus 7 is 27. Same thing over here, the absolute value of z. So we have the absolute value of -7 plus 3 plus y is 9 over 3, okay? So we have the absolute value of -7. The absolute value, we know it can't be negative. A distance can't be negative. So it's +7 plus 3 plus, what is 9 divided by 3? 3. So we have 7 plus 3 plus 3, which is 13. Same thing over here. 6 minus -8 plus 3 plus 9 all over 4. All right, so let's work within our parentheses first. We have 6 minus -5 plus 9 over 4. Y'all know what I say about the two signs side by side. A negative and a negative is a positive. So I have 6 plus 5 plus 9 over 4. Run out of space, sorry. So 6 plus 9 is 15 plus 5 is 20. So all of this is 20 over 4, and 20 divided by 4 is 5. And last we have 8 plus p plus 9 plus m squared. So 8 plus p is -3 plus 9 plus m is 4. All right, so we have a plus and a minus side by side. That's 8 minus 3 plus 9 plus, what is 4 squared? 16. Okay, so you guys remember when we had the please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, and you know how you think that it's supposed to be only in this order: multiplication before division, before addition, before subtraction. Yes, multiplying and dividing comes before addition and subtraction, but whatever comes first between these. So for instance, in this problem, subtraction comes before addition. But that is what we work from left to right, okay? So we're going to have to subtract first. So you have 8 minus 3, which is 5, plus 9, which is 14, plus 16, which is 30, okay? So from left to right. If y'all have any questions, please contact me. I don't mind emailing you one problem. You know, take a screenshot of a problem, just whatever I can do to help you guys during this time. I really want you guys to be ready for your classes next year, and I look forward to seeing you guys again.